Go to your favorite browser and open Roblox. Then click on Create. Select Creations. Now select your creation, for which creation you want to change or add age guidelines. And now in this left-hand menu, scroll down. Under Audience section, click on Questionnaire. And here we can see Maturity and Compliance Questionnaire. And then click on Start. And then here we have to answer 17 questions properly. Does this experience contain violence and or violent content? Just select here. I'm selecting no, for example. And does this experience depict blood? I'm just answering all of this question. Once you successfully answered all of these questions, click on Continue. Here we can see after submitting, only age verified 18+ users will be able to access your experience. Click on Submit. I understand. Open the game in Roblox. And here we can see the age restricted or age guideline successfully added.